Welcome back to my art channel. It's so lovely that you found this cozy nook again. I hope this means that you like cute art and all things cozy as much as I do. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Nadja. I'm an artist from the Netherlands. It's been a lovely summer here. This means that more than half of 2024 has passed, and the second half has just begun. I always see summer as kind of a break in between these two sides of the year. To me, July and August are months to rest, reflect, and gather new inspiration. I've been taking most of July and part of August off for some years now. These slow months are followed by September, one of my favorite seasons of the year. A fresh new start, accompanied by the same sparkly feelings as January. A time to plan, be productive in my art business again, and adjust or set new goals for the remainder of the year. Before we get to reflect and plan, I hope you get as comfy as possible and join me for some of the cozy moments of my yearly summer break before we set course on the second part of 2024. And just like that, our summer vacation came to an end. I enjoyed spending time in nature with my family very much. Luckily, I had some extra vacation days to relax with my family before I picked up my pencils again to get back to work. I did miss my art studio at times, and it's always nice to be able to bring back treasures I found on small adventures like this one. I love to decorate my art studio with small keepsakes. During my holiday break, I ended up drawing a couple of times, as you saw, but less than usual. It feels good to take a break and take the opportunity to be inspired by new things. Of course, when being an artist and having a small art business, it's never really possible to fully switch off. Whenever I relax, new ideas often pop into my head. Especially since getting back to my art studio, I've been reflecting on the goals that I had set for this year. There are still some things I would like to try and achieve in this second part of the year, and I will not bore you with the specific goals I set or SMART goals or anything like that, just the areas I would like to focus on. In September, I will be launching my 2025 calendar. Each year I try and launch a Kickstarter project, which is a crowdfunding campaign if you're not familiar with it yet. It will be a very special calendar, as it will be my 5th yearly calendar, which is why I also want to create a new sticker sheet for the Kickstarter. I know this project will take up a large chunk of my time in autumn. I will film the painting process for the cover of the calendar and create a new cozy painting video for you in September. Still, there are also other goals I need to focus on. I am working on my own picture book for a Dutch publisher, and I look forward to finish the spreads and get into the groove of painting every week again. I try to finish a hand-painted spread for the book every 2 weeks. My Etsy shop is often most busy in the autumn and winter seasons, and I'm also slowly working towards filling my new standalone shop, which hasn't even opened yet. Although with all of these projects I have going on, I cannot post weekly, I'm very content with my current schedule of posting a video every 3 weeks. As you can hear, there's so much I still want to do and so little time. I look forward to seeing you soon.